Anytime I post a makeup video, I get this a lot in the comment section. For makeup, I can try now with the help of your tutorials, but for lashes, I still find it difficult to fix. Guys, I get you, okay? Like, I understand your pain points. And in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to apply your false lashes seamlessly, okay? And it's strictly going to be beginner friendly. So if you're struggling with putting on your lashes, I bet you this is the best video for you. So guys, I'm going to go ahead now to show you guys the tools you'll be needing for this tutorial, okay? You need your pair of lashes, okay? You can get it anywhere, you guys know. You need your tweezer for the placement of the lashes, okay? If you are good with your hands, you can go on to use your hands to do that, but I love to use both tweezer and my hands. Next up is glue. This is from Classic. Guys, I highly recommend this glue. This is super duper good and it lasts so long. It's very affordable. Get your hands on it if you can. Lastly, you'll be needing a scissors to cut off excess lashes that we don't want, okay? So let's get into the application. Before then, I learned that many of you don't even know the one that is going to the right and the one that is going to the left, okay? So let me show you guys how to do that. Take it a little far from you, okay? You will see that the one that has like the short part, in fact, this one goes to this eye, this one goes to this eye. So this part is going to be like the shorter part. This is where you will cut off the excess from, okay? The same thing, this one is going to go here, then this side is where you are going to cut off the excess from. In fact, there are some lashes that you don't even know like their beginning and their end. There are some that are like that, but you just have to look carefully and you will understand what I'm trying to say, okay? So let's get into it. I'm going to gently place it on your eyes, no glue, just to know where you are going to cut off the excess from, okay? When you place it, just check where I'm going to cut the excess from, right? I don't think this one needs cutting. I think I even prefer it like that, without any cutting. Can you see? Some requires cutting, some don't require cutting, or maybe I'll just take a little. If you are cutting, you cut from the ending part. Let me drop this mirror. From this ending part, there's why just cut out one. So we are going to do that immediately, so you can see. Cut from the line, one line, and we are good. So this is it. Now that we are done cutting the lashes, we are going to go ahead now to take our glue and make sure you apply it properly, okay? And allow it to get really tacky before you can apply it on your eyes, okay? It has to get really tacky. Apply generously, right? This is it. So just allow it to get tacky, then we fix. If you still want to apply the glue on your eyelid, you can still apply if you think that the one that you did here will not be enough. I left it for like about 60 seconds, okay? So it's really tacky. Now I'm going to place it. Now the technique is tilt your mirror below your chin area, okay? So you can see your eyelid where you're placing it. Then bring it to the middle, okay? Once it's in the middle, you drag it downwards in the outer corner, then bring the inner one, push it. Now all you need to do is use your tweezer to press down the lashes like this. Be careful with your eyes, please. You can just use your hand to press. It's that easy. Yeah. Can you see how it is? Very seamless. We're going to do that on the other side. If you didn't understand what I did on this side, pay attention so you can get to this side. Place it at the center when you tilt your mirror. Okay. Then drag it on the outside parts. Then push it inwards. Okay. Just careful so you don't injure yourself, please. And that is simply it. Can use your tweezer to adjust. The same thing you did on the other side. Can you see how beautiful the lashes are? And that's that about the eyelashes tutorial. I hope you find this video very helpful, and I hope I was so detailed enough. Let me know what you think in the comment section. If you want to see next on my page, remember, practice makes perfect. Okay, you have learned this tutorial, don't just learn and stop doing. Practice. Okay, I was once like you. Lashes is something that is very difficult to do, but once you keep practicing, you get your hands on it, you perfect on it. Okay, it's not that really difficult. Okay, if you're coming across my channel or my page, make sure you subscribe, make sure you follow, like, and share to people that you know that needs this video, and make sure you drop your lovely comments. I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.